If you're wondering where top producing agents are actually getting their business in 2026, you're not alone. I get this question all the time from new agents and seasoned pros alike. So let's cut through the noise and talk about 4 sources that are consistently generating closings for high-performing agents this year. I was at a mastermind recently with some of the highest producing agents in our region. And no surprise, every single one of them had the same thing in common. They weren't chasing shiny objects. They were focused on repeatable systems and the 4 core pillars of business. Here's what they're doing and what you can do too. Number 1, sphere of influence still wins. Your SOI is still your number 1 source of business in 2026, if you treat it right. Top agents aren't just checking in during the holidays. They're staying in touch consistently with personal touches, real market updates, and helpful check-ins. They're using video text, Instagram DMs, and handwritten notes. They're inviting past clients to pop by events and tagging them in social posts. Why? Because staying visible keeps you top of mind. In a market this competitive, relationships still beat reach. Number 2, open houses are back in style. Top agents are crushing open houses again in 2026, but not the way they used to. They're not throwing up a few signs and hoping for traffic. They're pre-marketing online with geo-targeted ads, capturing info with QR codes and digital sign-ins at open houses, and following up with smart scripts and automated texts. Leveraging neighborhood invites to grow their list, and when done right, a single open house can turn into 5+ future leads, especially when inventory is tight and buyers are ready to act. Number 3 is high-quality online leads, not just any leads. Yes, online leads are still part of the equation, but not Facebook leads. Top producers are getting smarter about them. They're focusing on Google PPC and lead partnerships like Zillow and HomeLight. Verified leads from platforms that produce. Custom funnels through home valuation tools and landing pages can also serve up leads. But most importantly, they are speed to lead obsessed. They're calling or texting these people back within 2 to 5 minutes using smart CRMs and nurturing sequences that don't drop the ball after day 1. High quality leads with high quality follow-up equals closings. And number 4, geofarming is back with a twist. Geofarming in 2026 looks a lot more strategic than it did 5 years ago. We're not just blanketing neighborhoods with flyers. Top agents are using predictive analytics to identify likely to sell homes, combining postcards with social media and YouTube ads for brand recognition. They're hosting local events in the neighborhood and sponsoring neighborhood newsletters, becoming a go-to name before the listing appointment is ever scheduled. So it's not about blanketing zip codes anymore. It's about owning the conversation in 1 to 2 key neighborhoods and then scaling from there. So where are the top producers getting their business in 2026? Number 1, their sphere. Number 2, well-run open houses. Number 3, high-intent online leads. And number 4, smart, strategic geographic farms. So if you're serious about growing your business this year and you want a real plan tailored to your market, I'm offering a free marketing strategy session. We'll sit down, look at your current lead sources, and build a strategy around the 4 pillars that are actually working right now. Just send me a message or DM me in the link to book your free session. No pressure, no sales pitch, just a conversation about how to grow your business the smart way in 2026. And if this video helped, give it a like and a subscribe. I've got way more strategy tips headed your way in the year ahead. Have a great one.